You first. This is KIMT Storm Team 3. Weather coverage you can count on.
Let's get an update now on the forecast with Chief Meteorologist Aaron White. We had another derecho come through the area, which is, I feel like it's kind of odd because I feel like we haven't talked about it since a year ago when we feel like the first one really went through, especially in central Iowa a year ago.
Yeah, exactly. Just a couple of years ago, we had the derecho. We had the serial derecho back in December. So kind of it's been a while since we've had one of these, and want to talk about this just a little bit more detail. You'll notice what you're looking at here on the map, all these icons. These are all reports of severe weather. So whether it's wind gusts, wind damage, even heavy rainfall. But what I want you to focus in on is all those blue icons here across Iowa, into South Dakota, and all the way back up here to the north and west. This is where those storms developed last night. So this whole stretch, we're talking about a stretch of almost 700 miles of wind and wind damage. That is why this is now classified as a derecho, because of just the overall criteria, with a swath of wind stretching for over 250 miles. And we well exceeded that today with a lot of high wind gusts. We had wind gusts of up to 68 miles per hour at the Mason City Airport. We also had a wind gust just west of Sioux Falls of about 85 miles per hour. So a lot of stuff has happened. And aside from the wind threat, then we shifted to more of a heavy rainfall threat, and we actually have that flash flood warning still in effect until 11:15 for Albert Lea. So about another hour on that as the waters are beginning to recede a little bit after all that torrential rainfall fell here over the last several hours. But thankfully, the rain is winding down here in Mason City as well. Still getting a few sprinkles, still a little bit of rain in Floyd County. More rain around St. Ansgar over towards Osage, and also another flash flood warning in and around the Cresco, Vernon Springs area, Decorah, because of just some more torrential rainfall with amounts of over 4, upwards of 5 inches in the last several hours, with the storms we had earlier starting around 4 or 5 o'clock, and then that main line that is now moving to the east and away from us, thankfully, and we're looking at quieter conditions as we go through the rest of tonight. So here's a live look over downtown Rochester. We got still a few rain showers out there, 71 degrees, so it has cooled off. And you'll notice here on Sky Tracker 3, there you go, all the storms well on into Wisconsin. The severe weather is now into Wisconsin and northern Illinois. That's going to continue to move away from us. So as we go through tonight, we are looking at quieter conditions. However, because of all the rain, the ground is saturated, so we may actually see some more fog developing as we get towards tomorrow morning. That's what you're seeing right in here. Going through the day, we will start to get a little bit of sunshine, very similar conditions to what we had yesterday morning on the 4th of July. We had a few peaks of sunshine here and there, and then things really cleared out of here. And I think that's what's going to be happening for tomorrow. So looking at a little bit of sunshine for tomorrow afternoon, quieter conditions, and then we get some more clouds rolling in here for tomorrow night into Thursday morning. Maybe some more patchy fog developing, and we'll see another chance of thunderstorms coming in by Thursday, and we'll have to watch those very closely. Not looking at a great threat of severe weather like we saw today, but it is something we are tracking for your Thursday. 7-day forecast, though, where the weekend is always in view, showing quiet conditions for your Wednesday. Again, some fog possible in the morning, 78 degrees for a high, a little bit cooler than we had today. And then we're tracking that chance for some thunderstorms on your Thursday, high around 82 degrees. But after that, looking a lot better. We got more sunshine for you by Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Highs rather pleasant, lower to middle 80s. A little bit of humidity here and there, but no 90s in the forecast. We're done with that heat and humidity for at least the 7-day forecast. Tyler?
Right.